Hello, welcome back to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make fingerless gloves. We are going to use a half double crochet to make this one. This is an easy pattern. Gauge is not important. So let us make a slip stitch. Okay, make a slip stitch just like that. Just make a slip stitch. Loop and make a slip. Put it on the hook. That is not considered as a stitch as a chain, so we make 21 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. I want to make 20 double crochet, so maybe a couple of more stitches. That's a tip to make something long. So we make on the second chain from hook, we make a half double crochet just like this. Then insert the hook in the second chain from hook and yarn over. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops altogether. Once again, wrap around, then insert the hook, yarn over. That's a half double crochet. So we are going to make 20 half double crochet. Like this one, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. We have few more stitches more. Then that's a tip I was going to explain to you. So pull the loop a little bit longer and leave it. Now I'm going to unravel these extra chains which I don't want. Tighten that one. Fine. Now we make a first row is complete, or you just measure your hand. I used to do like this. It want only up to here, then it is like this. Or if you want longer, then you make more chains and more half double crochet. Here I am going to turn to my next row. So this chain 1 is not considered as a stitch. I'm going to stitch only in the back loop, just like that. 1 2 3 when you put it on the back loop only, it will give a little bit of a texture. Right, now you can see that I made a rectangle, which can, I'm going to put my palm on top of it to see how it goes. Yes, it can go like this. It's a little bit bigger. I don't need that much, maybe one row less. This is why I said the gauge is not important for me, is I can just put my hand and see how it fit. Okay, I can see it's one more or less is fine for me. So unravel that one and leave it here. I'm going to cut the yarn, just lock this one in here. Now we will take the yarn needle. Before that, make it what I usually do is like this, so I can estimate my space for my thumb is here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close up to 7 stitches here, then 7 stitches here, and the middle something is not getting worked, that is to put my thumb through. So let us try that one. Here you can see 1, then go the other side to this side, that is 2, and we go here 3, 2, 4, then 3, okay, go back and tie it here. The beginning yarn end and this one here, tie that one and just leave a little longer tail so we can sew it down later. Tie it on just like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unworked. Then we are going to stitch the rest. Okay. So this will be enough, and thread my yarn. One, two, three, four, five, 6. So I'm going to attach my yarn here. Before that I can go through few stitches so my yarn end will be hidden, and I can go like that. Okay, now the next stitch, go in a zigzag fashion, just like before, and reach up to here. And go backwards to make this stitching stay. I like to go through a few more stitches, and now we can cut the yarn. We need to finish the yarn tails. Let me see if I can go. Okay, just take it like this. We already tied a knot there, so it is not going to unravel. Just for the security, we'll do a little more back and forth. Do this one also same like that. I emphasis on the finishing touches, like securing the yarn tail. Bring it inside out. Make one more to go for the other hand, and I already made one is here. So this one, and this can go like this. Yeah, you can create edging if you like in the same color or a different color. But this is very quick project, and this enough to keep your hand warm in the November cold. Just it gives you, the fingers are free. Make it longer, you make it shorter. This your design, your project, you can do it. Gauge is not important. I always like to create projects with a not big emphasis on the gauge. Okay, see you next time with another project. See you. Bye bye.